Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can buy and equip flop celebrations in NBA 2K26. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is to just pause the game, and right here we'll head over to my player tab and select the option animations. Once you are here, we need to go to the animation store tab and just select the option in-game celebrations. Right here, if you scroll, you will see this option like park standing. Select that again and you will see the celebration by the name of flop. So you need to purchase this one. For that we need to add this in the cart first. Open the cart by hitting Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation and just confirm the purchase like this. Once it is done, get back from this and again head over to the gameplay animations tab. Right here you need to select this option NBA and Pro Am standing to change it for the rake. Right here we'll just equip the one which we have purchased, the flop animations. Then right here we'll go to this one, park standing, and set this on flop as well so that it will be changed on park too. And yeah, that's how you can purchase and equip flop celebration in NBA 2K26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.